So we are in exercise 6a, question number 1. Expression is given a5 is equal to x where x is equal to 4n, n is a whole number and n is less than 4 and we have to represent in roster form. Value of n is less than 4 means a whole number, so value of n will be 0, 1, 2, 3, this much. So a5 will be equal to 4 into n, 4 into 0 is 0, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12. So we can write 4 1 ja it is 4. So a5 will be equal to 0, 4, 8 and 12. This will be your answer. Now to come to one more question of question number 2. This is subpart 4 of question number 2. The B4 is given 8, 27, 64, 125 and 216 and you have to represent in set builder form. So find that B4 is equal to 8 is actually 2q, it is 3q, it is 4q, it is 5q and it is 6q. So if you have to represent in set builder form, you will write that is equal to x is equal to nq in all the cases provided n is a natural number and value of n lies between 6 and 2 is there, less than equal to 6, more than equal to 2. Now we are in question number 3.6. It is written is x where x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0 is equal to 3, 4. It is a quadratic equation, so first we'll solve it. So we'll write solving x square minus 7x plus 12 is equal to 0. We'll do midterm splitting. About which we have already studied. So it will be x square minus 4 3 is 12, 4 plus 3 is minus 4x minus 3x plus 12 is equal to 0. X taken common. So it will be x minus 4, 3 taken common, x minus 4 is equal to 0. So two factors are x minus 4 and x minus 3, that is equal to 0. It implies that x minus 4 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So it will give you x is equal to 3, x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 3 and we want this one. So it is satisfying the condition, write hence statement is true. Statement is true. You have to write statement is true. Now we are in question number 5. It says x is equal to 3x minus 2 less than equal to 10 and x is a natural number and we have to list the elements. So we'll solve it. We'll write solving 3x minus 2 is less than equal to 10. So 3x will be less than 10 plus 2. 3x will be less than equal to 12. So x will be less than equal to 4. 3 will cancel 12 4 times. And it is provided that x is a natural number. So x value can be 1, 2, 3 and natural numbers. So your list of elements will be hence elements of set are, we'll write this one 1, 2, 3 and 4. This will be your answer. So next topic is cardinal number of sets. Consider a set represented as this one. So no member is there. It is a blank set. Such type of sets are called empty set or null set. And for that we are using symbol this one. 5. So in this case, since no member is there, so cardinal number is represented as NA. Cardinal number of A, it is represented as an n, that is triple B. Consider B is given as, set B is given as 1. So how many members? Only one member. Such sets are called singleton set. And its cardinal number is 1. Now next set we are considering C. That is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So what we are finding, n is equal to n of C, cardinal number of C is coming out as 10 members. Since we are able to count the number of elements here, so such type of sets are called finite set. But by the way, if this type of set is coming, D is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, so on, so on. So here, cardinal number of set D is infinite. It is infinity. We cannot count the number. So such type of sets are called infinite sets. This is called infinite set. Now we are going to compare two sets. So when we are going to compare two sets, so sets condition like with this one. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6. And next, P is equal to A, E, I, O, U. And Q is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. Here what we are finding, 4 and 3 are common to both the sets. So if some elements are common to both the sets, they are called joint sets. Because some elements are in common. Some elements are common to both sets. Common to both sets. But in this case, what we are finding, no such element is common. So we will say P and Q are disjoint set. Now we'll come to next case, that is equivalent sets. Now again we are going to compare the sets. Consider set A is given A, B, C, D, and set B is given 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here cardinal number of A is 4 and cardinal number of B is also 4. But what we are finding, they are example of disjoint set. So since their cardinal number is same, so such type of sets are called equivalent set, and we say that A is equivalent to B or A is equivalent to B. But if sets, now we are going to talk about equal sets. Consider A is given 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is given 2, 4, 3 and 1. So cardinal number of A is 4 and cardinal number of B is also 4 and elements are also same. Elements are same. So such type of sets are called equal sets and we represent that A is equal to B.